What's up guys? Today's we have brought you best 5 gas grill, from budget friendly, superior quality, user feedback and top ratings on Amazon. We would like to assist you with information to help you choose your product, so let's begin. We bring you number 5, Weber Q1000 Liquid Propane Gas Grill, restyled for 2014. The Weber Q100 is now the Weber Q1000. The grill has the same great performance and sleek styling, but adds new aesthetics that are both functional and fun, including larger grip handle and control knobs, ergonomic side handles, sturdy front and rear cradles, plus the familiar Weber Q logo branded in the lid. Split grates allow for a great griddle cooking combination. Just replace one of the grates with the Q1000 series compatible griddle and experience a delicious alternative way of preparing breakfast, lunch and dinner on your grill. Durable, but lightweight, cast aluminum construction of the Weber Q1000 makes this super portable grill the perfect tailgating companion. Used on the go, it runs on disposable LP cylinders, but can be a stationary stay-at-home grill also. An optional LP adapter hose for hookup to a 20-pound tank is available as an accessory. Reliable starts are assured with the simple-to-operate push-button ignition. Burgers, brats and dogs are easily handled, but a large variety of other foods may also be cooked at any temperatures from low to high. Just dial in the proper heat setting by adjusting the infinite control burner valve. May be used with Weber portable cart model number 6557. Now, Cuisinart Petit Gourmet Portable Tabletop Propane Gas Grill. Get great grilled flavor every day from this compact, high-performance grill. Its small format can be put almost anywhere for ultimate convenience, and although the grill is compact, its ample cooking grate is large enough to cook most family meals, 8 steaks, 8 hamburgers, 6-10 chicken breasts, or over 4 pounds of fish. The grill heats up very quickly and uses far less gas than a full-sized grill. Best of all, with its great portability features, this grill can cook your meals wherever you go: the beach, the game, the campsite, anywhere. Folding legs, grill lid latch, generous carry handle, and the spill-resistant drip tray all enhance portability. Innovative culinary tools are the Cuisinart signature. The prestigious Cuisinart brand is not limited to their famous food processors plugged or unplugged. Nobody covers the modern chef like Cuisinart. Cuisinart is a full-service culinary resource with a wide array of products, preferred by chefs and favored by consumers. And now you can take the world-famous Cuisinart brand to your patio, lawn, tailgate, or campsite, with their comprehensive line of Cuisinart outdoor grilling products available now on Amazon. Number 3, Masterbuilt Portable Propane Grill. The Masterbuilt Propane Tabletop Grill is built for barbecue grillers on the go and perfect for camping, tailgating, picnics, or any outdoor use. The compact design with locking lid, folding legs, and a large front carry handle makes this grill very portable and easy to transport or store. The grill operates on small, disposable, 1-pound propane cylinders, not included, which are available nationwide as a common camping accessory item. The long-lasting stainless steel construction allows you to experience outdoor cooking wherever you enjoy it most. 288 square inches of total cooking surface, 10,000 BTU stainless steel U-shaped burner for maximum heat distribution, folding legs and locking lid make moving grill easy. Chrome-coated warming rack, stainless steel construction and cooking grates. So now enjoy a barbecue party. Enjoy your life. Now, number 2, Permasteel 2-burner gas grill. Upgrade your outdoor grilling setup with the Permasteel 2-burner propane gas grill, perfect for cooking for groups of 4. This gas grill offers a total cooking surface of 360 square inches, making it great for parties, weeknight dinners, cookouts, and other get-togethers. The heavy-duty construction includes 2 304 stainless steel burners with a powerful total of 22,000 BTU for ideal grilling of burgers, steaks, chicken, vegetables, and more. The 2 side shelves with tool hooks provide the perfect place to prep food and hang your barbecue tools. Plus, the front access door makes inserting and replacing propane gas tanks a breeze. The side shelves can be folded down for convenient storage, while the 4-caster wheels make it easy to wheel out of the way when not in use. Measuring 43.2 x 21.5 x 47.8. This compact copper grill is ideal for entertaining in small backyards, patios, and other outdoor spaces. Last and final product, Char-Broil Performance TRU-Infrared 3-burner cart-style liquid propane grill. An exclusive, the Char-Broil Performance Series TRU-Infrared 3-burner stainless steel gas grill has the features you need for a mid-size, stress-free cookout, sufficiently sized for the family or parties. This unit features 450 square inches of primary cooking space, coupled with Char-Broil TRU-Infrared technology, which prevents flare-ups, delivers even heat and cooks seamlessly. Also features a 150 square inch swing-away warming rack for indirect cooking. Effortlessly cook for friends and family with ease and confidence. Porcelain-coated grates are durable, rust-resistant and easy to clean, while the electronic ignition offers reliable push to start operation. 24,000 BTUs across the 3 main burners, and also features a 10,000 BTU side burner. Ideal for sauces and sides. Lid-mounted temperature gauge so you can easily monitor the inside temperature of your grill, and 2 wheels for increased mobility. Assembly required, measures 54.1 inches WX23, 4 inches DX45, 5 inches H, and weighs about 98 pounds. Please subscribe my channel and update your smart product. For more details about the product, please go to the description link. Royal Gourmet Stainless Steel 5-Gas Grill with Rotisserie Kit. Sear Side Burner Outdoor Barbecue. Silver Sizzle Succulent Barbecue Steaks. Roast sticky rotisserie chickens, or only cook some simple side dishes, all in one with Royal Gourmet GA5404's Deluxe Stainless Steel 5-burner gas grill with rotisserie kit. Kick off amazing house parties with family members around and friends over. This versatile grill is thoughtfully designed for a whole crowd with barbecue-style delicacies, rotisserie-style chickens or vegetarian-style dishes. No matter what you want to cook, you would be completely satisfied with the cooking result on the counterpart. Cook like the pros and explore the infinite varieties with the Royal Gourmet. I hope you like it. If you like, please visit the link below to know more about this product.